Introducing the Beko 9kg Autodose Wi-Fi connected washing machine with steam, the ultimate laundry companion for your busy household. With its 9 kilo washing capacity and 1400 RPM spin speed, this washing machine can handle large loads with ease. Now, one of the standout features of this washing machine is the AutoDose system, which automatically dispenses the perfect amount of detergent for each wash, so you can say goodbye to measuring and guessing and enjoy perfectly clean clothes every time. Plus, with the Beko Home Whiz app, you can download additional programs like outdoor, sports and soft toys to cater to all your laundry needs. The Steam program is an absolute game changer for tackling wrinkles and refreshing your clothes without a full wash. It's perfect for those on-the-go moments when you need wrinkle-free garments in a flash. Safety is always a top priority, and this washing machine is equipped with overflow protection and a child lock feature to keep your little ones safe. With its sleek and modern design, this Beko washing machine is a stylish addition to any laundry room. Plus, with the time remaining display, you'll always know when your laundry will be ready. Experience convenience and efficiency with the Beko 9kg Autodose Wi-Fi connected washing machine with steam. Thanks so much for watching.